Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Dogecoin using Apple Pay, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase Doge conveniently through this mobile payment method. Step 1. Verify which cryptocurrency exchanges support Apple Pay for Dogecoin purchases. Platforms like Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Paybase accept Apple Pay. Step 2. Ensure your Apple Pay is properly configured with a valid debit or credit card. Open your iPhone's wallet app to verify your cards are active. Step 3. Download and install your chosen crypto exchange app. Create an account and complete the basic verification process required for purchases. Step 4. Navigate to the Buy section of the app and select Dogecoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. The app will display current Doge pricing. Step 5. Choose Apple Pay as your payment method from the available options. Enter the amount of Doge you want to buy or the dollar amount you wish to spend. Step 6. Review the transaction details including exchange rate, processing fees, and total cost. Tap to continue and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Step 7. Confirm the Apple Pay transaction when prompted. Your Dogecoin will typically appear in your exchange wallet within minutes. Consider the higher fees associated with card payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.